In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop those annoying pre-approved credit card and insurance offers from flooding your mailbox ever. This isn't some complicated process. It's a simple, free, and legitimate process using OptOutPrescreen.com. This will take less than 2 minutes to complete, and by the end of this video, you'll have permanently opted out of those offers, decluttering your mailbox for good. Before we dive in, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. I make content about Amazon, digital marketing, credit, business funding, all designed to help you build wealth and protect your finances. Shout out to my friend Jeremy from Gorilla AI Tools for telling me about this. Here's what we're going to cover. I'll explain what OptOutPrescreen.com is and why it works, and then I'll walk you through the step-by-step process and share my screen. Okay, so let's dive right in and get rid of those annoying offers. Okay, so I will leave this linked below. Here's the website, and this is actually the official website of the major credit card bureaus. So this isn't just some random website, it's the official Consumer Credit Reporting Industry's website, specifically created to process requests from consumers who want to opt out of pre-approved offers. What makes this site legitimate and effective is that it's operated by the 4 major consumer credit reporting companies. Now, let's walk through the process, exactly how to use their site to opt out permanently. So if I scroll down a little bit, it's just going to give me some information and ask me to click here to opt in or to opt out. So let's click it. Okay, and it's going to tell me that I need a few things. I'm going to need my name, address, social security number. This is actually optional. You do not have to give it. However, it may be safe to give it because this is a legitimate website. However, I'm very guarded with this number. I don't give this out to anybody. I protect this number at all costs. So they suggest that you add it on here because they say that your request will be stronger if you share it, but I'll probably leave it off of this request I'm going to do right now. And then also birth date is optional too. So right here, you have a couple of options. We're not opting in. We're going to click the second one. We're going to opt out for 5 years. You can also do the permanent opt out, but you are going to have to print something out. So this opt out for 5 years will be fine. So let's do that. Okay, so it's just going to ask for your basic information, and you can see that it's going to say first name, last name, and then see how social security number and birth date is not required. It's optional. And then you'll put your address, and then you'll go ahead and submit it. Now, it does take 5 business days for the request to be processed. So you won't see an immediate stop to all the offers, but typically you'll see a significant reduction in about 30 to 60 days, and they should completely stop within 90 days. So I'll go over some questions real quick. Does this affect my credit score? No, absolutely not. Opting out of your pre-approved offers has 0 impact on your credit score or your ability to apply for credit when you choose to. What if you change your mind? If you ever want to start receiving offers again, you can visit this exact website and just select the opt-in option. So some people have asked, what about family members? Each adult in your household will need to complete their opt-out request. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more practical money saving tips and credit building advice. I create videos to help you take control of your finances and protect your personal information. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.